In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now if you can't see Clipboard at the top left corner, use this icon over here. Select Clipboard, and to add it to your toolbar, use this gray switcher next to Show the Clipboard on your toolbar feature. Then when you go back, it will be here. Either way, if you want to add any clip from here, tap Add a new clip, type in whatever you want to, and hit Save. This clip will be pinned automatically. To unpin it, use the same icon over here, as you would if you would want to pin it, just a blue one. To delete it, use bin icon instead. Then hit delete in the pop-up. If you wish to use Clipboard by copying any text, copy it, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, use the same Clipboard icon and tap on your text here. Now to use it after an hour so it won't disappear, use this little pin, and if it's blue, that means that your text is pinned, just like in case this one. If you want to delete a toolbar from your Clipboard, use the same no blue switcher. And to go back to your standard keyboard, you can either use this arrow at the top left corner twice, or click on this keyboard icon at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!